This video describes how to install LogMatic on macOS. Open https://www.FusionUnchained's.com in your browser. Then click the products link at the top of the page. From this page you can download LogMatic for macOS. To start the download, click the appropriate image. The LogMatic subscription allows you to install it on up to 3 separate machines. LogMatic is a cross-platform tool that can also be installed on Windows and Linux OSs, each of which can be downloaded from this page. LogMatic provides most of its regex and mapping capabilities for free. However, a subscription license is required for more advanced features, such as loading and saving, the regex designer, result table generation, etc. Signing up for a subscription enables a 2-week free trial of all of LogMatic's features, and a subscription can be cancelled at any time. Once the download is complete, double-click the package installer. Read and agree to the usage terms and conditions. Drag and drop the LogMatic icon onto the Applications folder. You can now close the installer and eject it. LogMatic is now ready to be fired up from Launchpad or directly from your Applications folder. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us using the contact form on our webpage, or send an email to logmatic@FusionUnchained.com. Next, take a look at our video on setting up LogMatic's subscription license.